Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnanbaji Vidyapit, standard 3rd. So, students, today we'll start unit number 7. In that unit, we'll start to divide the following. Worksheet number 7. Divide by drawing. Worksheet number 7. So, in that multiplication word problem is there. A pen cost rupees 10. Rahul brought a 5 pens. How much money did he pay in total? So in that we have to follow the step. Nado method will use here. Step number 1, numbers and keywords is there. Find the numbers and keywords in the problem. So in that, let's underline the keywords in the questions. A pen cost rupees 10. Rahul bought a 5 pens. How much money did he pay in total? So in that, step number 2, ask what is the question asking. How much money did he pay in total? कितनी मनी उसने स्पेंड की है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम drawing to understand here, pen of cost rupees 10, 5 pens are there, so we have to draw 5 pens, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Operation here will use, which operation will use? So in that the keywords is total, so it could be addition or multiplication, but we can't add 5 pence and rupees 10, so it must be multiplication. From the drawing that is being repeated rupees 10, how many times it's being repeated? 5 times. Must we needed to multiplication by 5. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? multiplication by 5 करना है. Okay, now step number 5 is a solution. So solve the write the answers. So in that 10 multiplied by 5, answer is 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. The Rahul paid rupees 15. The Rahul paid rupees 15. Okay, students, now look at this. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete complete your work. Okay, students, now we'll start worksheet number 8. Word problem is there. Solve the following word problems in your notebook using the Nado's method. So in that, Seema brought 5 chocolates for 5 rupees each. How much did Seema spend on chocolates in total? So in that, here we have to write standard 3rd, unit number 7, worksheet number 8. Unit number 7, worksheet number 8. So in that, first one question, we have to follow the step. Step number 1, numbers and keywords we have to find. So here 4 chocolates, rupees 5 each. Rupees 5 each. Now step number 2, ask what they are asked. They are asking that how much did Seema spend on chocolates in total. Step number 3, draw. So here we have to draw 2 boxes. We have to write 4 and 5. Step number 4, operation. Here we have to use multiply. Step number 5, solution is there. 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. So here we have to write answer. How much did Seema spend on chocolates in total? Rupees 20. Rupees 20. Seema spent on chocolates in total. So here answer is 20. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Now we'll start next sum. Second one question is, Rohan brought 4 boxes of sweets. Each box cost rupees 75. How much money did he pay the shopkeeper in total? Rohan brought 4 boxes of sweets. Each box cost is rupees 75. How much money did he pay to the shopkeeper in total? So in that we have to follow the narrow method. Here we have to follow the step. Step number 1, numbers and keywords we have to find. So in that 4 boxes of sweets. 4 boxes of sweets. Rupees 75. Each box cost. Rupees 75 each box cost. Step number 2. Ask. They are asking how much money did he pay to the shopkeeper in total. Step number 3 is 75 into 4. Step number 4 is a solution. So step number 4 is a operation. Here we have to do multiply operation. Step number 5 is a solution. So we have to write 75 into 4. 75 into 4, 4 5s are 20. 2 is a carryover. 7 5s are 4 7s are 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2, 29, 30. So here we have to write 30. Answer is 300. So here we have to write 300. How much money did he pay on the shopkeeper in total? Rupees. Answer, we have to write answer, rupees 300. He pay to the shopkeeper in total. Now Look at these 4 steps everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Look at these 4 steps everyone. Okay students, now look at this step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now we'll start next sum. Ahmad brought 3 kurtas for rupees 450 each. How much did he pay in total? Ahmad brought 3 kurtas for rupees 450 each. How much did he pay in total? So in that we have to follow the steps here. Step C1 sum. Step number 1, numbers and keywords. So in that numbers is 3 kurtas rupees 450 each. Step number 2, ask. What they are asked, how much did he pay in total? Step number 3, operation. So here we have step number 3 is draw. We have to draw 2 boxes, 450 and 3. Multiply. Step number 4, here we'll use multiplication, multiply operation here. Step number 5 is a solution. So here step number 5 is a solution. So we have to write 415 into 3. 415 into 3. Now 415 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. 1 is a carryover. 3 fives are 12. 12 plus 1, 30 is there. So here we have to write the answer. First of all, here we have to write 1315 rupees. 1315 he pay in total. He pay in a total. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down. First you have to look at this 4 steps and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you step number 5th. Look at this step number 5th and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now, what is your homework? Students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 8. Unit number 7, you have to complete the worksheet number 8 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock से पहले आप लोगों को वर्कशीट नंबर 8 जो है आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करनी है. बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें सबमिट करवानी है. ठीक है एवरीवन, आई होप सो योर वर्क इज कंप्लीट. बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.